It's your boy Solid Smoke Boss back at it again. So today, I'm going to be doing a collaboration with TNK Squad, TNK Cuisines and Treats. Hey, you know it's about to be epic. It's about to be lit. So we're going to be doing a soda, a canned soda chicken. Pick your favorite soda. So I chose Dr. Pepper, what the missus like. So first I'm gonna just got the little beer can insert. Got the whole chicken. Wash my chicken off already, patted it dry. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and come over here with some oil. Just rub down the oil. This could be my base to help it stick, man. So I got my homemade base dry rub that I mix up myself. I'm gonna just pat it down, man. So let me go ahead and insert it in the cavity. And I'm gonna do the back side. I just didn't want all my seasoning to come off. If I can get her in there today. There we go. Okay, so yeah, I'm just. Okay, so I got it all up and ready to go. I'm gonna get it taken outside and put it on the grill. Now I got my grill nice and hot and ready to go. Let's go ahead and sit that bad boy down in there. Ooh, it's hot, baby. There we go. Rolling, boy. Rolling. You know it's about to be good. Look, we about an hour in. Look at the color of that thing getting already. That golden color. Man, hey. It's already looking too pretty. Look at that nice, pretty color coming up on that thing. She coming along too. It's gonna be some good eating right here, baby. I don't know. All right, we can come back in a few, about an hour in. Come back and check on it. Man, with the glove, it's still hot. Woo. Check out that color, man. Beautiful. Woo. Just a little hot though. Man, check this out. Kiana, what you think about this color right here? Hey, this thing is looking good. Man, I can't wait to cut this thing and get a piece of it. Whoo! Look at that. I can't even cut it. It just fall on the pot. Oh, no. Good Lord. Man, hey, Travis, you gonna have to bring it, man. Look at that, I can't even cut it. It's so tough. Man, woo! Y'all tell me what y'all think. What y'all think about this bird color, man? This bird looking pretty to me. This might be one of the best ones I know did. Hey. Hey, appreciate for the collaboration with. Hey, we appreciate the collaboration with the TNK Squad, TNK Cuisines and Treats. Hey, we told y'all it was coming. Best believe it's gonna be more of them coming. This collaboration was epic, man. But hey, Travis, hey, you better bring it, man. I'm telling you. Hey, but y'all drop some comments below. Let us know what y'all think about it. Hey, make sure you smash that like button. Go over to TNK Squad and go over there. Hey, and smash that subscribe button if you already hadn't. Go over to TNK Cuisine and Treats and smash that subscribe button and let them know SSB sent you to the house. Peace out.